Receive tayo ng tawag mga kaibigan. Nandito tayo sa Goats Town. Katatapos lang natin sa trabaho. Tapos dumiretso tayo dito dahil kahapon may tumawag sa akin kahapon. Ford Focus ito, a diesel engine. Sabi niya nagbawas ng coolant yung kanyang sasakyan. Wala naman daw leaking na nakikita. Either sa mga hose pipe, radiator, water pump, walang leaking. So nagbabawas ng coolant, tapos nagtap up siya every now and then. So gusto niyang ipa-check sa atin at gusto nating makita din kung anong problema. So pag mga ganyan mga kaibigan, pag walang leaking sa linyada, radiator, water pump, whatever, more or less yung kanyang matrix, no? Matrix o kanyang heater core na tinatawag, mayroong leaking sa kanyang heater core or matrix. Ang matrix ay matatagpuan sa sa pinaka center console, no? So mahabang trabaho yan, mga more or less mga 2-3 hours, kasi tatanggalin mo yung center console. Pero hindi pa natin tatanggalin, kailangan mo natin i-confirma, no, ang problema ng kanyang sasakyan. Bakit nagbabawas ng coolant na wala naman siyang makita na leaking sa mga linyada or radiator or water pump or whatever. So ang pinagdududahan natin yung yung kanyang heater core or yung kanyang matrix na tinatawag, matrix na sa loob ng center console. So malapit na tayo, mga 2 minutes makarating na tayo sa ating paroroonan. So yun, feedback ko kayo sa development mamaya. Standby lang tayo. Diesel ito, Ford Focus na diesel. Ang problema, wala tumatagas, nagtatap up siya ng coolant, tapos wala naman daw makikita na coolant leak. So dito na tayo, standby. So what's the story here? Yeah.
Sometimes it's leaking on me. You know, it's coming out in the middle. I don't think it's the water pump, like, it's not the water
Radiator,
pump.
no?
Yeah, no, it just seems to be the middle of somewhere, Chris. But you've got that black fucking guard. You have to try and look underneath it. Like, you can see the water pump from here, from the wheel. It's not coming from that.
Did you fill up, yeah?
Not today, no.
Not today.
I've been driving it today now. It hasn't been using much water today. Only sometimes, like.
So the leaking.
The leak is coming through that black thing, but in the middle of the car.
So that's the radiator, man.
Fucking pipe somewhere down there. That pop off. Huh?
Radiator, no?
Which?
Radiator.
What's a radiator?
Radiator.
Radiator. No, it's not the
Yeah.
bad.
Hmm?
That doesn't seem to be the radiator. Like, it's not coming out there. See all that's dry. It seems to be over that way somewhere. I can't see it. From
What
the
is this
front.
thing?
It's only underneath the fucker.
What is this plastic thing?
That's before this.
Yeah?
Before I got a new pipe here. Look. My dad fixed it for me. Fixed something behind
Okay.
there. That was ages ago. So I didn't clean it.
And doesn't leaking there, no?
No, that was all. That's all.
Oh,
Old stuff.
what's the story on the inside? There's no water on the floor?
No, nothing like that. No,
Because
just
if
seems
there-
it's dropping out.
Yeah,
It's
because
only when I go fast. You know what I mean? You can.
Because if there's water on the floor, then that's the matrix then. Heater core, no? All dry, you sure?
Check that side.
Yeah?
I thought it might be in the heater as well. Like, the heater didn't work before. Then when I filled with water, the heater worked.
Is the heater working?
Yeah. The water's just coming from the front of the car, Chris. Like, when I'm parked sometimes, if the car's really hot, you can see it coming out then, the coolant
In the front.
in the front.
So that's the radiator then.
That's definitely in the front.
Radiator is fuck.
Which?
Radiator.
No, it's not the radiator. It's over down one of the pipes, either the back or in there. It's nothing to do with the rad. Look, you see all that's all dry. The rad's dry. It's coming from like the middle of the car. Like. You know what I mean? It's coming way back. Underneath that guard. Definitely not the rad.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%. Unless it's a pipe behind here, Chris, maybe. You know what I mean? Something down there that's fucking...
The pipe behind here.
Oh, that was replaced.
Oh, that was replaced. So that is fixed already.
Yeah, so it seems to be underneath the car. Like. I think we need to move that black fucking
What?
piece of shit. There's 4 screws in it. 4 screws in it.
If there are only few things here. One is the down pipe.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
And the pipe is dry.
That's what I mean. I've checked all.
So that's the radiator.
The rad is all
The rad
dry.
is fuck. Huh?
It's not coming from the rad. I swear to fuck.
No.
It's over there, Chris. Like it's over at the back somewhere.
No, because when you're driving, the wind
Blow it.
car blow the water.
Yeah, but I can't see any water anywhere. Look, it's going down even.
You cannot, because here.
But there's no water there. You get me? I've been fucking checking it all weekend. I had it ticking over. Like the water pump. Just have a look outside the pump.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be leaking on the radiator. Maybe there is no leaking because there is no more coolant. Yeah? You sure there is coolant in there?
Yeah, I filled it with coolant and everything.
Yeah?
Times. It only started like probably around Thursday. It overheated for the first time ever.
Okay. I didn't bring my car now. Cannot open this up. But seems to be dry here.
Oh, dry, that's what I'm saying.
So that's the water pump then.
Water
water
pump is here. Don't turn the wheel out and have a look at it.
The water pump is fuck.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. I'm gonna start it.
Yeah. Now what I'm saying is, there might be heat gasket blown, so it seems. Yeah, just to make sure that there is no bubbles coming out. Because if there is bubbles coming out, then the heat gasket is fucked.
There's not even any pressure or anything coming out.
Yeah, I know. So I might overthink it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, no, it's just that I keep trying everything just to see. It's got to be a leak. I don't want to see the picture.
Definitely not the water pump, no? See, there is a kind of water in there. Huh?
And then I looked underneath the water. The fuel was all dripping out. And today I had a patch of the road.
No.
And the water was flowing out.
Put more coolant here, so we will see if it is compressing pressure. Now it's very low. It doesn't seem to be. There's no pressure here because it's very low coolant. Just put water on it, so we will see. You have water?
Yeah, I have water.
Just tap up water so we will see what's going on. with this heat gasket, there is bubbles in here.
Yeah, no, but why is the water dripping out underneath it? You get me? Like when I'm parked, sometimes the water is coming out. Out of the car, but not in the arm.
I can see the water pump. Huh?
Water.
Should be the water pump.
And then it's sending it back that way. So what do you think? I'll get a new one, right?
If we change the water pump, we change the kit. Change with the kit.
Change the water.
Timing belt.
Fuck that. I'm not
Yeah.
going to keep it that long.
Huh?
You can just get, I'll just buy a water pump separate. Because I got a new timing belt when I got it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Because I bought this off a friend of mine, and he only got a new belt in the car. Mark, 152, there's only 160 something on it now.
Okay.
So we just get a water pump and just try that.
So the water pump, yeah.
No, they'll probably sell it after a while. I have it a year now, like.
Yeah.
Now we pump it to the
There is no. See this here? Very dry. Yeah? It's dry. At the back is dry. The back is dry.
Yeah, it's very dry, like.
Yeah.
Then it comes out only sometimes, you get me?
Yeah, because when the water pump is on, has a pressure,
Yeah, it's
then that's the time. That's the time
When the sun started to start today, and then it came out,
yeah.
and it starts squeaking.
That's
You know, you hear it.
yeah. The water pump is pumped. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.